What a long tongue they got, boy.
You're ridiculous. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh, 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 yeah. Ready? More? Ready? Oh, 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 yeah. It's so curly. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, look at that. Oh,
So they like
yummy.
romaine, huh?
Oh. One more.
What do they? Well, they usually leave, or they usually eat leaves off their tropical.
In the wild, yeah, they strip the leaves off of the trees.
Yay.
Okay.
Oh. Oh my gosh, so awesome.
Yeah, she's 4 years old. Betty Lou.
Gosh, Betty.